In just one click, you can earn $5 up to $20. It's an amazing feeling if you can have that kind of side hustle where you only use your mouse to click what's on your screen or use your hands in clicking through your phone. Just imagine, you can earn some big bucks with that simple task. It may be just a few bucks, but when you sum it up, it will come to a huge amount, reaching $250 or even $500 per day. It's also cool if you can withdraw your earnings through different payment methods like PayPal, Bitcoin, Perfect Money, bank transfer, and many more. In this video, I'll show you a website where you can earn money by just clicking. If you want to know this entire step-by-step process and some tips and tricks, make sure you watch this video until the end. Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Let's start by going to a website called EnrollApp.com. The website will welcome you with the following statements. Let's make the web a better place. Be heard, not part of the herd. On this website, you'll see what companies are doing right now, and through EnrollApp.com, you can share your thoughts about them. Next, you can take some user tests anywhere you are and on whatever device you want to use. You can use your phones, tablets, or computers. The more gadgets you'll have, the more chances you can earn a good sum of money. You should also collect points and badges to earn rewards or PayPal money. By joining this website, you're being part of the internet's next revolution. That's why their company is inviting us to make the web a better place. This is a 100% legit website, and there are over 650,000 tests that were taken by thousands of users. You don't have to worry because even if you're just a beginner, you can be part of their company and their objectives. No prior experience and any special skills are required. Now let me teach you how you can start making money online right away. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. So, this is the main page and all you have to do is to click the sign in button. The sign-in process is very simple. Just enter your email address and password, then click the sign-in button. Or you can also use your Google account to sign in. Take note that the sign-in process is easy, but you should remember the following steps. If this is your first time signing up for a free account, you'll receive an email in your inbox. Click on that verification link to start earning money. Then the website will welcome you, and you need to enter your first and last name. Next, you'll be asked some questions. You can accept the challenge, or if you don't like some fun, you can also choose whichever. So here, you can monitor your progress by answering some important questions like your PayPal account email, your address, birthday, and many more until it reaches 100%. After that, you can now start answering some polls to earn some points. As you can see, there's a cow here, and it moves towards this cute planet whenever you answer polls or questions. I would absolutely suggest it to beginners and for everyone, since the tasks are very easy to do, and the best part here is that you could receive extra cash incentives and bonus money. Now, pay attention. I'll share a secret technique with you that I learned while using this website. I want to share it with you because I want to help you double or triple your money. You better stick with me until the end of the video to avoid missing out on important details and bonus tips. As I've said earlier, the moment you've logged into your account, you can now answer some polls. The numbers you can see on the polls are the number of questions that you've already answered. For example, choose your answer in the choices here, and then hit the Submit Answer button. You'll see the How did you stack up question after answering the polls. And you can also see here the statistics or the percentage of people who answered the given choices. And yes, that's the only thing you would do here, clicking your answers on the polls. And now, for example, I already answered multiple questions. As you can see, the cow moved. Our main goal here is to make the cow move and go to the planet over here. Take note that the more polls you answer, the more points you'll get. Right now, click the Achievements category here, and you'll be directed to this page where you can see your points, badges, and as well as the mission you need to finish. The more badges you receive, the more bonus money you can earn. So just keep answering polls to earn some points. Keep doing it over and over again. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. Additionally, you could also check your test history by clicking the See Test History link over here. And it would be a lot easier for the website to give you the perfect projects or tests for you if you answer the questions about your demographic and hobbies honestly. You'll also get more missions if you're active on this website. Everything you see can be done using your computer or your phone. And remember that this is available in different parts of the world. And now the bonus tip that you are all waiting for, which will make 3 times as much money as this. So please pay close attention to this when entering your information as you log into your account. Hover your mouse over this area and choose Test Preferences. The website ensures that all your responses to the questions will be kept private. And make sure that your profile setting is updated. Of these devices right here, you may choose up to 3, so that you can still access the website even if you're using your phone, tablet, or desktop. And this means you can participate in more polls, and you can make money by using multiple devices. Next is the testing availability. You'll answer the question of what's the best time for you to receive tests. Choose Send Me Tests as soon as possible. When you choose this option, you can receive test notifications on your email account. You'll be immediately notified of the new tests. It's also crucial to select the option Send me an email when I qualify for a test. You may also add your phone number here to validate it. This will allow them to send you an SMS when a new test becomes available. To maximize your earnings on this website, you must follow all the steps and tips I've shared with you. This method of making money online is very easy, as you've observed. You can definitely try this brand new method and start earning money. Remember to concentrate on making progress towards achieving the goal by answering polls and accumulating points and badges. If you do follow everything, you'll see 100% progress as well as the opportunity to receive additional money. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video. And to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.